The intertidal zone is a violent place, but it's also so full of life. So many things grow here at the transition zone between the marine environment and the terrestrial environment. And the violence of the water actually mixes in lots of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, and mixes in nutrients, and keeps this area very rich for a lot of life forms. And of course, similar to pretty much all the ecosystems on the planet, the very foundation of it all is the photosynthesizing plants. And the cool thing is that most of the plants in the intertidal zone are algae. They're much more simple in their structure, in their form, than the plants on land, and they don't have the same division of structures. And look at that, you can see a little invertebrate on there right now, a little, I believe it's some type of limpet. That's another thing that's really noticeable here compared to a lot of other terrestrial environments that we're more used to, is that in the intertidal zone, a lot of the animals are invertebrates. So that means they don't have a backbone. And that's something that's really important to learn about, because we are animals with backbones, we often focus on animals that have backbones. Whoa, that was close. We focus on animals that have backbones as pretty much the only type of animals. But in fact, most of the animals on the planet do not have backbones. And the intertidal zone is a great place to look at those things, such as mussels, barnacles, crabs, slugs. All these types of things are invertebrates. So the intertidal zone is just such a diverse place with a lot of interesting life forms, a great place for nature journaling. There's also a lot of edible species for foraging. All this kombu right here is an edible seaweed. Very good for you, very tasty in soups and beans and stuff like that, and a very sustainable source of food. So getting to know the intertidal zone a little bit better through nature journaling, through just exploring and looking at things, trying to identify some of the different species, or through foraging, is a great way to engage with this intertidal zone, super important ecosystem on the planet.